If you are wondering if you can transfer eSIM from your previous device to Motorola Signature, first of all, let's open a settings on our device. Next step is to enter the network and internet, and then we can go to our SIM and mobile network. Click on this plus button, and then there is an option that allows you to transfer your eSIM from previous device to your Motorola, but this is kind of region blocked. So basically, you won't be able to do it in all of the regions. I will try to add the regions supported in the description of this video. As you can see, if we try to transfer SIM from another device, carriers in your region don't support SIM transfers yet. If you have a SIM from a different region, you can try transferring it to this device. To transfer SIM from another device, keep it nearby and make sure that it's unlocked. Then you can select Android device, scan this QR code using a QR scanner on your previous phone, and then see if you can do it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.